Wait, do you really need to learn coding in 2025 and beyond? In a recent statement, Replit's CEO literally said, "You shouldn't learn to code anymore. Is AI taking over coding? Our human programmers are done." Let's find out the truth behind this statement and let's see where the industry is going. Hello friends, today we are talking about something very interesting as well as scary. Is learning code is still important after 2025? So without waiting, let's start. Recently, Replit CEO Amjad Masad said, "I no longer think you should learn to code." So does that mean AI has made coding useless for human? We will definitely break it down. Before that, let's see what industry trend is saying currently. Well, Google's CEO Sundar Pichai said over 25% of Google's code is written by AI. Zoho founder Sridhar has also predicted that AI will replace more than 90% of the repetitive programming tasks. He says, "When people say AI will write 90% of the code, I do agree because 90% of what programmers write is boilerplate." Okay, so what's going cooked silently? Let's have a look on the industry's top 5 AI tools which is capable in coding. And here is my list of top 5. Replit, Amazon Code Whisper, Grok, Copilot, and ChatGPT. Let me tell you one thing here that they all are not similar. Here in this list, most of them are generative AI. But now Replit is trying to become Agentic AI. You must be wondering what is Agentic AI now. Now let's try to quickly understand about Agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to systems that can take autonomous actions to achieve specific goals. It doesn't just generate, it plans, decides, and takes action to achieve a specific task, often using generative AI inside. As an example, if you ask Agentic AI to plan a trip to Goa, it may act like an assistant that may book your flight, hotels, and also send you reminders all on its own. In the field of software development, it may generate entire project structure from scratch. With all the boilerplates, fully design the UI, DB connections, CMS integrations, bank gateway integrations, and any repetitive work that we do, it may do all this. And it's improving day by day. In the other hand, what is generative AI? It's no longer a secret, we all know that. You can pause the screen and read few more theories. Here I have also given top 10 coding AI assistants. You can pause the screen and read about them. Now let's do some hands-on with top 3 AI coding assistants. And in this series, let's try Replit AI first. So here is a prompt which I have written for Replit AI. You can pause the screen and read this prompt. Basically, I have asked Replit to create a professional website with a top-notch UI with server-side rendering. So now let's see how Replit AI acts. And don't forget, Replit AI is also now trying to become Agentic AI. Replit user interface also asked me to choose a template. I found there a good range of tech stack including Angular, React, Python, C#, basic HTML and CSS, etc. After giving this prompt, it took around 15 to 20 minutes and it generated something. Let's have a look. So here is the result and it's a bit shocking. It was able to generate entire project structure. Though there was several issues, it was not able to run at runtime. It failed, and also I have given the prompt and chosen the theme as Angular, but this project was generated in React and that was also a client-side application. I tried it again and I simplified the prompt a bit and now see the results. It created the entire project which I downloaded with a minimum edits. It worked. It is still a client-side React app, so 100% demand was not fulfilled, but don't forget, it's improving day by day. Let's see Copilot in action now. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. Copilot can easily integrate with Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio IDE. Okay, here I have opened my Visual Studio Code and just for example, I have written a prompt for Copilot to write a singleton class. And let's see how quickly it is able to fulfill this requirement. And this all directly inside your IDE. You don't need to copy paste anything. Copilot can also help you to fix your bugs as well. Let's see ChatGPT in action now. I'm just giving a piece of code to ChatGPT and asking ChatGPT to help me understand this code. Let's see how beautifully ChatGPT is breaking down the code and helping you to understand everything about your code. What do you think now? Humans can be replaced by AI? The answer is not straightforward, but the answer is no. Humans can't be replaced, but the way they work may definitely get a shift. There would be a shift in work dynamics. To understand this better, let's look at in history when the early computer came in 1950s and 1960s. These computers were too large, expensive, and used primarily by government, research institutions, and large corporations only. In 1970s, personal computers began. The introduction of microprocessors paved the way for personal computers. In 1980s, the worldwide adoption happened for computers when the Microsoft Windows was released in 1985. And in 1990s, it was the internet boom era. After all of this, there was a lot of uncertainties and even fear about the future of work there was in 1990s. Many people feared that the computers would take their job, especially in areas like data processing, accounting, and administration. Some people were skeptical about the computer's potential as well. They couldn't imagine that how a machine could replace the work they did. On the other hand, some people saw the computers as an exciting news and exciting tool as well that could make tasks easier and more efficient. Over time, as computers became more accessible and practical, people understood that they need to know how to use the machines, and they reskilled. So in 90s, where people were thinking that computers will take over the jobs, by reskilling, computer created more and more jobs. So this was a shift in work dynamics. So friend, in 2025, the truth is AI is still a just man-made tool, not any replacement. Now, for 2025, you must have three bigger questions. How to adapt with AI? What skills matter now? And the bigger question on which we started, should you still learn to code? So let's break this down and conclude this. Okay, let's understand how to adapt with AI. First of all, do not fear AI, reskill yourself, improve your problem-solving skills, and master prompt engineering. These things will help you to adapt with AI. What skills will matter now? The first thing would be problem solving, then system designs, working with AI, critical thinking, and a very strong fundamental. Pause your screen to read more. Now comes the bigger question on which we started. Should you still learn to code? And the answer is yes. But the way we learn and use coding is changing now. We need to focus on understanding the logic, not just memorizing the code. AI only works well when you give it the right instruction. And just remember the universal truth. AI is just another man-made tool. There is more to come. Nothing will replace humans until the humanity is alive. So friends, AI is making things easier, but that doesn't mean you stop learning. So keep learning and keep growing. Now let us know, what do you think? Will AI replace human coders or not? Tell me in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one. Have a great day.